Alright, here once again is my FASCO American Spirit. And as you may recall, the last time I filmed this, there are a few things different. First off, this is going to drive me crazy. I hate these friggin' vertical blinds with a passion. But anyway, that's regardless. Anyway, there are a few changes from the last time I filmed this fan. First off, the blades were reversed to the oak finish. I had little tulip shades on there. And it was also hanging on a 2x4 in my garage. So, here it is installed now in one of the guest bedrooms in my new house. Looking great. It goes with the room perfectly. You know, it's very powerful. And very good. We got light kit working. Very bright. Very bright indeed. With these CFLs in it. I have CFLs in every light in this house now, so it's all energy efficient and such. The fan, of course, works very well. It doesn't wobble as much. I really didn't do anything blade balancing wise, but what I did do was I installed it on a Westinghouse safety brace ceiling fan rated box. That's what I installed the fans on that I put in here. Originally there was just one of those flimsy light boxes. But there's significant air movement in here. It's because it's powerful. This room's 11 feet by 11 feet. And this is a 52-inch fan, so you do the math. But it works great. Significant slowdown on medium. But still good air movement, actually. And then low, very slow. There's the furnace kicking in. It's low, and there's off. Somewhere is the reverse switch. It might be on top of the motor there. Oh no, there it is. And they do it like that, obviously, so you can't have the fan running and reverse it. There's updraft. And there you can see the wobble, really. You know, there's medium draft. And low updraft. All of which will probably never be used other than by me right now. Because, you know, there's good heat circulation in here first off, but secondly, even on downdraft mode low, it helps heat circulation a lot, so it's good. Now let the fan stop on its own here. put this back where it needs to be. Where'd it go? Where's the switch? There it is. Okay, and so anyway, I hope you enjoyed.